One thing we exercise in our lives, professionally and personally, is that we see opportunity everywhere. And I encourage you to do the same. It doesn't matter if you're going to a soccer game to watch your friend play, if you're walking your dog and you run into the neighbor, or if a pastor comes into your office and is talking about their church and yada yada. You know, every opportunity in front of you is a chance to spread the message of chiropractic, increase your influence and your impact. For example, if someone gets a reassessment in your practice and they're doing really well, it's a great opportunity to hand them 4 complimentary eval cards and say, hey, I know you love the results that you're getting here in the practice, as do I, but I also know you know people in your life that could benefit from those results. So here are 4 complimentary evaluation cards. Please get them in their hands so that we can reach more people. You know, maybe you make an accommodation for somebody for a hardship case, and you say, you know what, we love blessing you and making sure that you reach your health goals, but we really want to reach more people. As we're blessing you, you could further bless us by sharing what we do and how we do it, and how that could benefit the lives of your friends and your family members. So please refer them into our practice. Maybe it's while you're at a chamber meeting, or maybe you have the opportunity, you hear that there's a need for sponsoring the kids at a farmer's market or whatever, and you say, you know what, we'd love to provide and fulfill that need and allow us to bless you guys, and take this check, take this donation, or here we'll come and serve. However you guys can see an opportunity and capitalize on that to uplift someone else's life, reach more people, and increase your impact in your community, you need to have your eyes open, your ears open, and really be sensitive to those opportunities that cross your path.